Good morning, sir. Today I want to speak something mental health, emotional well. First of all, I would like to thank Principal Sir who has given me the responsibility to do some activity in connection of health, mental health, and emotional well-being. On this topic, I will try my level best to show some activity on screen if my device will support it. Dear children, is it visible to all of you?
Sir,
Is it visible
visible,
to all
sir,
of you?
visible. Yes, sir, yes, sir, visible.
Okay, okay. So nowadays, what happens? Yeah, last 6 months we are not meeting together. All of you are living at your home, and I think all of you must be feeling very bored, emotional, yes, depression, and I think some health problem, mental problem is being there. So, under that very topic, I want to discuss something and show some activities. See, five emotional well-being that can change your life. See, this activity is intentionally wellness activity can change your life in ways that last. Emotional wellness is about more than managing your emotions and feelings. That is part of it, of course. But true emotional health in, encompasses all of who are. It is lifelong process of becoming fully you. Dear children, it is a natural phenomena. Sometimes you become emotional, sometimes you become very happy, glad, but we should try to become glad in all circumstances. Suppose any problem is there, the first you become silent and very minutely you have to think, how can I sort out this problem? So we should not be excited to get our success. We should not be very sad and sullen when we get a reverse result. So this is just you have to stand like a rock on your path and nobody can. So here are five emotional wellness activities that can become an integral part of your life. Emotional healthy journey. See, changing emotional wellness activity. What type of activities you have to do, you have to adopt if you want to change your life. So first, To have a positive relationship with your emotions requires a strong yet flexible foundation to provide support for the myriad feeling of that come and go in varying. So first of all, you should have positive attitude. You should not you should not react for insignificant things. I have written an article. You must have gone through that article. Anger is more dangerous than fire. So we should always control our mental problem. Number one, make a meaning. Whether it is in your job, your role as a partner, parent, caregiver, or friend, or in the little things you do every day as a part of being alive. Discover sense of purpose. Having a sense of greater meaning helps you put even horrible things like loss or extreme adversity into perspective and make a sense out of chaos. So sometimes, yes, very bad situation may come before you. At that time, dear children, you should not lose your temperament. You should not lose your passion. You should have a feeling of yes, I can do. Today, tomorrow, it will happen. So we should not be negative. Always you should be positive, and always we should have a smiling face. Always I tell you, laughing is a medicine to our health. अगर एक बार आप जोर से हंसते हैं तो बहुत सारा जो हमारे शरीर में जो ये है वो सब टूट जाता है, हम रिलैक्स मूव करते हैं। बाबा रामदेव दिखाते हैं ना जो किस का हंसना से क्या क्या फायदा है। तो बच्चे कभी भी मुंह फुला के नहीं रखना चाहिए, कभी भी गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए। इस जिंदगी का पार्ट है, पार्सल ऑफ आवर लाइफ, एंड एवरी डे वी हैव टू लर्न ए लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन आवर लाइफ. Life is very short, but we have within short life we have to learn a lot of things. Number 2, cultivate your sense of awe. ये हम लोग को कल्टिवेट करना चाहिए, क्या हम कैसे जिए इस देश में, इस परिस्थिति में. We tend to ruminate. Ruminate means we have to consider brooding over things like the past. Here, there are 2 words, my dear students. Retrospective, introspective. What happened in past? You have to take inspiration. And in present situation, what are you doing?
Sir,
We have to respect.
excuse me, sir.
Like that. And after that, even things that haven't yet happened.
Sir.
This can lead, yes, sir.
सर
हेलो सर.
सर आपको फिर से प्रेजेंटेशन शुरू करना पड़ेगा. कोई बच्चा प्रेजेंटेशन कर दिया, बीच आपका प्रेजेंटेशन रुक गया, फिर से प्रेजेंटेशन. यस सर. हाँ, वो फिर से
करना पड़ेगा सर.
फिर से प्रेजेंट नाउ कीजिए और फिर जहाँ पर पहुँच गए हैं वहाँ से आगे बढ़िए.
अच्छा, ओके सर, ओके सर, ओके.
प्रेजेंट नाउ फिर से करना पड़ेगा.
ओके सर. Seek a connection. Emotionally healthy people connect with others in meaningful ways. जो एक्चुअली हम लोग को मीनिंगफुल वे में, इमोशनली हेल्दी पीपल कनेक्ट विथ अदर्स इन मीनिंगफुल वेज. इंट्रोवर्ट्स कनेक्ट विथ अदर्स टू शेयर. हम लोग को हमेशा एक्सट्रोवर्ट बनना चाहिए, कभी कभी इंट्रोवर्ट भी बनना चाहिए। हमेशा एक्सट्रोवर्ट भी अच्छा नहीं होता है, हमेशा इंट्रोवर्ट भी अच्छा नहीं होता माय डियर। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है, ये बहुत शॉर्ट में मैं जा रहा हूँ। ग्रो योर सेंस ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड, वेदर यू आर grateful to a higher power or have a general sense of appreciation for the good in life. Feeling and expression privately or outwardly gratitude increases emotional health. When you seek out and appreciate all of the positive in your life, so it means always we should learn how to appreciate positive things. There are two things, positive and negative, but always we should adapt positive things and we should live with negative things. So always we people should try to become positive. Next, hone your humor. Humor is restorative, humor is healthy. कभी कभी हम लोग पढ़ाते हैं क्लास में, तो humor भी होना चाहिए जो सब्जेक्ट्स है। humor मीन्स इन हेल्दी वे में, ताकि आपका मेंटल हेल्थ बना रहेगा। कोई कोई सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाते बड़ा बोर फील होता है, इन दैट केस सम ह्यूमर सिचुएशन शुड बी क्रिएटेड सो दैट you will feel fresh and your attention will come towards your topic. So today, dear children, today this much. Again, next day I will show another thing. Okay, thank you, sir.
So it was a very nice presentation from our sir, Shri Sadev Das sir.